Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mrs. Vasanti Revatkar, Department of Botany, Sri Ganesh Mahavidyalaya, Navargaon. In this lecture, I am explaining about the cereal wheat, which is the part of economic botany, and it is included in our syllabus proposed by Gondwana University, Gadchiroli for the semester 5. This is the wheat. The botanical name of the wheat is Triticum vulgare. Origin of the wheat, place and time. Southwest Asia remains in the uh, remains of Emer, Triticum dico, dicocum and Triticum monococcum, wheat found from 7000 BC around 19,000 years ago. Emer wheat was found by archaeologists. Emer wheat was grown in pre-dynastic Egypt, prehistoric Europe. That is the hexaploid Triticum aestivum. Wheat was found first at Knossos in Crete. The cultivation in America was introduced by Spaniards in Mexico and by English in New England and Virginia. The hexaploid wheat is the hybrid wheat, and that's why the origin of hexaploid wheat is demonstrated in the diagram. Species of wheat grown in India: Triticum aestivum, Triticum durum, Triticum dicocum, Triticum turgidum, and Triticum spirococcum. These are the common varieties which are grown in our India. Morphology: habit: it is annual, 60 to 150 centimeter in height. Stems are tufted, jointed with nodes. Internodes are hollow. Leaves linear with parallel venation. Seeding leaf base, ligulate. That is, ligules are present in between the join of leaf seed and leaf margin. Inflorescence: erect terminal spike of spikelets called as ear or head of grains. Flowers grouped into 15 to 20 spikelets arranged alternately on rachis. Each spikelet with 2 to 6 flowers. Only 2 to 3 flowers are fertile and produce grains. Then about flowers: sterile glumes, 2 lodules, then loose and broad on Pileas too and lemmas are also two. They are thin, pale, rounded at the back, stamens 3, anthers versatile, carpel with 2 hairy styles, ovary superior. Fruit is commonly called as caryopsis, oblong, plum or swollen, 5 to 10 millimeter long with a shallow ventral groove. This is the diagrammatic representation, this is diagram of the spikelet, which shows that PDC, then outer glume, then lemma, then florets, pilia, rachilla and on. This is the magnified diagram of spikelet having several florets. This is individual floret. This is morphology. This is morphology of Triticum aestivum, and it is separated. The parts of the spikelets are separated, and this is about the grain. It is a magnified view. This is glumes, lemma, pilia, ovary. Morphology. Now we are studying morphology of grain. Seed coat, that is testa or spermodum, fused with fruit coat, that is tegment. Then embryo, nucellus, endosperm with thin-walled parenchymatous tissue loaded with starch and lutein. Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and some vitamin A are present in seed coat and embryo. These are the diagrams, various diagrams taken by various microscopes. This is also the diagram showing. Then what processing of the wheat? Harvesting is done when grains become hard and straw becomes dry. In India, harvesting is done by the sickle. In northwest part, combined machines are present to harvest the plant. Then threshing, that is done by trampling of the plants by bullocks on a threshing floor. Simple mechanical threshers are also used in Punjab. Winnowing of the grain is done with the help of winnowing baskets. Then storage. The grains having less than 10% moisture can be stored well. Thus, they should be thoroughly dried. After storage, then you can do the milling. The motor-driven flour mills using two stones with grinding are commonly used. And after the milling, the flour can be obtained. Uses of this triticum vulgar, that is commonly called as wheat. Manufacture of flour for bread, hard wheat varieties and pastries, soft varieties. Whole meal atta and flour are used for chapatis, bread, baked preparations. More refined flour or maida is used in bakery products, biscuits, pastries. Wheat flakes is a common cereal food. In preparation of alcohol beverages, it can be used. Also, soji is used in various preparations which can be made from the wheat. The protein called gluten with no particular nutritive value obtained from wheat is used in additive to whole wheat or rye to add elasticity. Low grades of wheat used for fodder. Wheat straws used in fodder also. Then wheat straw is good for packing. Wheat straw is also useful in mushroom cultivation. Wheat straw is used in seizing for textile fabrics. Also, the another use is the extract of leaves of wheat sprouts is a good tonic for cardiac and diabetic patients. Thank you very much.